In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up to Squarespace. If you want to start collecting subscribers right from your website, Squarespace has a built-in feature that makes it quick and simple. We'll move through this together in a clear sequence so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. And I'll share a few helpful pointers along the way to make your pop-up feel polished and on brand. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll see the search bar. Click into that search field and type Promotional Pop-up. This search is the fastest way to jump straight to the tool you need without digging through multiple menus. When you see Promotional Pop-up in the results, select it to open the pop-up settings panel. Right here, you'll find the option to enable the Promotional Pop-up. Turn it on. Enabling this feature activates the pop-up on your live site so visitors can start seeing it. Think of this as the master switch. Once it's on, your pop-up is ready to appear to your audience as they browse your pages. Next, choose how it looks. Click Change Layout. This brings up a set of layout options you can browse. Look for an email-focused template. Selecting an email template ensures your pop-up includes a clear place for visitors to enter their email address and a prominent Submit button. As you preview layouts, pay attention to how the headline, description, and form field are arranged. You want something that keeps the main message short, puts the email box front and center, and leaves enough room for a clean, readable design. While you're deciding, think about brand consistency. Pick a layout that works well with your colors and logo, and make sure your text contrasts nicely with the background for easy reading. If you plan to add a small incentive like a discount or a newsletter highlight, leave space in the template's text area for a concise, compelling line. Also, look for a layout that stays legible on mobile, since many visitors will see your site on phones. That's all it takes. You searched for Promotional Pop-up from your dashboard, enabled the feature, and chose Change Layout to select an email template. With those pieces in place, your Squarespace site is now set up to capture emails through a clean, professional pop-up. You can return to the same promotional pop-up area anytime using the search, if you want to fine-tune the look and wording later. Thanks for following along, and enjoy growing your email list with a pop-up that matches your brand and meets your visitors right where they are.